Good morning, students. Students, day before yesterday, I have explained you about first two kinds of sentences. Today, I am going to explain you the third kind of sentence, and that is interrogative sentence. It is also said to be question sentence. Look at the definition of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. These are the sentences which ask questions. These sentences begin with either interrogative words like what, when, how, etc. or with helping verbs like is, was, has, had, etc. and end with a sign of interrogation like this. Okay? See the examples. Who has broken the glass? See that all the examples start from asking questions. They all ask something about the subject. They start with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. See all the examples. Okay? Now, the first example is who has broken the glass? What is your name? Was he present in the meeting yesterday? Are you a member of the Eco Club in your school? Had the mechanic repaired the machine in time? How much efficient is the staff of your company? Have you all understood these examples? They all are started from the question words. Okay? Clear? Now, come to this exercise. See that kinds of interrogative sentence. It is also divided into two parts. WH questions or yes or no questions. WH questions, it makes use of WH words such as what, when, where, why, who, whose, which, how, etc. to ask questions. And the second type is yes or no questions. It makes use of auxiliary or helping verbs such as is, am, are, has, have, had, would, could, can, may, do, does, did, etc. to ask question. See that WH questions make inquiries or ask what information with the help of WH words, such as the words which start from WH is said to be WH words. See the WH words: what, when, where, why, who, whose, which, how, etc. Such questions cannot be answered in yes or no. They need to have full sentence answers. Clear? See the examples also. See the first question. Where is the ball? It is answered in full sentence and it is here. When do you study? The answer is in full sentence. I study in the evening. And the second type, this is yes or no questions. Yes or no questions. Make inquiries or ask for information with the help of auxiliary or helping verbs. Verbs such as is, am, are, has, have, had, would, could, can, may, do, does, did, etc. Such questions can be answered in yes or no. They do not need to have full sentence answers. Clear? See the examples. Is the ball here? The answer is yes or yes, it is here. Both are the correct answers. Okay? The second question is, do you study in the morning? You can answer both the way. No, it is also correct. And you can also answer like this: no, I don't study in the morning. Clear? These are the two kinds of interrogative sentences. Clear? I think you all have understood this. Okay? Now, sentence. Thank you, students.